how to change profile picture on Steam. Now, this is actually a very straightforward tutorial. The first thing that we are going to do is just click this one right here and then click view my profile. Once we are here, you should be seeing your account. So as you can see, in my case, this is my profile as of the moment. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of change here. I'm going to go ahead and click edit profile, and then I'm going to head over to my avatar, and then you can go ahead and choose between the different avatar options here, or you can go ahead and click this one in order to upload your own, and that is what we are going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and find some picture that I can use and upload in this particular case. Alright, so I have selected this one right here. I'm going to double click this one and I should be able to upload it, and then I'm going to go ahead and resize and choose which one I am going to put as my picture. So basically right there, and then tap the save button right here, and there you go, everybody. So now you have successfully added your own avatar or your own profile picture here in Steam.